Hello everybody, welcome to Big Fan Secret Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook black pepper garlic beef with mushroom. Now let's have a look at the ingredients. First of all, beef, cut into small chunks and leave it aside. Next, whole garlic, and also soy sauce, black pepper, garlic salt, and we'll use a little tiny bit white wine. As for the mushroom part, you can use any type of mushroom, and this time I'm using king trumpet mushroom. First, let's season the beef. We're gonna put a little bit soy sauce in it. Black pepper. Garlic salt. Last, a little bit white wine. Let's put it in a bag and mix it. Let it season for a couple hours. I normally prepare this the night before I'm gonna cook the dish, but if you're in a hurry, a couple hours in the fridge will be fine. Next, let's cut up the mushrooms. Cut it into the same size as the beef so it will cook evenly. Now the ingredients are ready, let's start cooking. First, let's turn the stove to high and heat up the pan. Add some olive oil. Let's add the whole garlic in it to slightly fry it. When we see both sides of the garlic color change, and let's take it out. Now let's put the beef in. When the beef changes color, let's put the mushroom in. Let's add a little bit water. Now we can add some salt to taste. Now we can see the juice is almost gone. Let's put the garlic back in. Mix it up and we're ready. If you have white sesame at home, you can put some on the top. It will look prettier. Here's your black pepper garlic beef. Let's welcome today's special guest taster, Shirley, to have a try. Shirley.
Thank you.
How is it?
It's delicious. I like them. The mushroom, the beef, and the garlic together makes it very, very good. Thank you for letting me try this.
You're welcome. Thank you for cooking with me in Big Fan Secret Kitchen today. I hope you like this black pepper garlic beef. And don't forget to like and subscribe our videos. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.